Hello again, beautiful people. It's your girl Ginger, and I'm back with another retie video.
If they're not ginger, you ginger yourself. Nobody clap for yourself. Yourself, you don't.
But this one is probably going to be a little bit of a retie/repair video because I was on vacation last month, and instead of wearing my locks out, I had boho box braids in. Now understand why that is a big no-no for starter lock. The boho braids definitely did what it needed to do for the vacation. I was glad I did not have to have lace to deal with, glue to deal with, a hot wig on my neck, none of that. I could have done like a short wig or something, but I really wanted some braids because I was planning on being in the ocean almost every day. So I went with boho braids with those miracle knots, and it wasn't the braids that messed me up, it was the miracle knots. I had miracle knots all up here by the roots to give that, curly water wave effect. I wanted it to be full. I had them most of the time towards the ends, and I don't know if y'all can see, oops, sorry, I'm shaking the camera. I don't know if you guys can see kind of how my ends are kind of frayed, and they're not terrible, at least right here, but I can definitely say that wasn't a smart decision. Got some damage to my locks, but I am going to jump in and see how I can fix it. Hopefully it's nothing too permanent. I want to say at this point we're about at the 10-week mark since my last retie, and no, that wasn't intentional, but I have been pushing my reties to about the 8-week mark because girl, 6 weeks just rolls around way too quick for me. I've still been using diluted conditioner on my locks. I just cannot stand the way my locks feel and sound when they're dry. I can't. But someone did mention to me that I just might be delaying the maturity process of my locks by using conditioner. I don't want that. So I'm currently on the hunt for a clarifying shampoo and conditioner set. If you guys have any suggestions, please help your girl out and drop them in the comments. Look at this. I've been finding spots of shampoo still in my locks after I've completed washing. I don't know if this happens to anyone else, but the only thing that seems to help is actually removing the bands and rinsing it out thoroughly. There's many times I have stepped out of the shower with products still in my hair because it's hiding in between my sections. So I know it might not be recommended, but this is the only way I can get out all the product. I did go ahead and start the retie process off camera. I want to say I had quite a bit of separating and detangling to do at the nape of my head, but it wasn't as bad as I expected it to be. Another thing I've been on the hunt for is a good lock gel. If you know of one, leave it in the comments. I am running from buildup. I do not want to see any white cast or flakiness on my locks at all. I really feel like I've been treating this set of locks way better than I did my first set. I don't know if it's because it's my natural hair, but they just gotta be perfect. So I'm almost 1 year in, and I can already see different stages of maturity all over my head. I feel like I can actually say I have locks because at the nape of my head, we're locked, baby. We are locked. Even though most of my head, you can still see the twist, I'ma say I'm locked. Not this boy stealing my lemon from my bowl of watermelon. Is it normal for toddlers to like lemon? I thought they usually hate that stuff. Anyways, now for the worst damage of all. I actually messed around and cut an entire Microloc out. I cannot even explain the devastation I felt when I realized those miracle knots are not for the weak. You see the loose natural girls explaining how they achieve the style and they put the knot in, and when they're ready to take the knot out, it comes out so easy. Then here I go trying to achieve the same thing over locked hair, not realizing that the miracle knot slipped out of their hair because their hair is loose. Hello? And we are also down one lock. I definitely have combined a few of them already, but I know for a fact this one thinned out this much because of the braids being over it. But I just went right on ahead to removing it and adding the roots of it to a neighboring lock. And I don't know if it's weird, but I definitely kept that little piece just in case something happens to another lock. These are the results, and I am super, super, super in love with them. Now, I have been reluctant on wearing my locks outside because I just felt like they weren't there yet. It just needed a little bit more length, a little bit more thickness, and I personally did not feel super confident wearing it. And when I wear my natural hair overall, I feel like I just look so young. Having locks this length, there's no way to get around looking like a cutie patootie. That's just it, okay? So yeah, I finally broke the ice. My son had an appointment today and I decided it's time. My husband was like, don't put the wig on. It's time to let the locks out. And I was like, you know what? I'm going to listen to him, as scary as it is. And you know, I myself feel a little shaky about it. I'm gonna do it. And let me tell you, as soon as the doctor walked into the office, listen, God is so strategic with how he will confirm certain things for you, because I'm telling you, as soon as the doctor walks into the office, the kind of reaction that I got was ridiculous. And my husband over there looking at me like, girl, I told you so. I know some of you guys will say the same thing, like, what, girl, what are you talking about? Your hair looks good. For me personally, I just wasn't there confident wise, and I feel like I'm ready to step out of my comfort zone and do this thing, right? Plus, it's summer. It is way too hot to have anything on my head. I went to this appointment and I felt so absolutely free. I never once had to pull out my phone and check to see if my lace was showing, if it was too obvious, if I need to like swoop the hairs and try to hide, you know what I mean? Like, it felt very freeing. So I'm excited. And I think that's gonna force me to actually get into my style bag a little bit and figure out different things that I can do to my Microlocs. That sounds like even more content, so yay. I don't know, like I could see so much of a difference. Like, it's definitely gotten fuller. I have been tempted to like give it a little bit of a shape, but I think I'm going to hold off as much as I can, because there's like some of them that kind of sticks out a little bit in different places and spots that just don't get. Yeah, so this is where we are, and I just wanted to come back and show you guys the results so you can see that we still out here, we still doing this thing. I also wanted to say a big thank you to my 965 subs. Like, what? That might be small to some people, but for me, that is 965 people who literally came and joined my table, sat down next to me to watch these locks grow. No, but seriously, this truly means so much to me, so big shouts out to you guys. I'm also taking a vote for the next video. Let me know if you guys want a video on the differences or similarities between having DIY Microloc extensions versus DIY natural locks, or do y'all just enjoy these retie updates? Let me know. But until next time, I will see you guys in the next one.